Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters. Get Google Lens available on Windows 11, either as the app or via Chrome/Edge. Sign into your Google account, then grant camera and file permissions so Lens can read images. Once done, position the photo or point your webcam. Make sure lighting is even and text is legible, because Lens relies on clear contrast. Now open Lens, choose photo or camera mode, and move in slightly if text or details are small. This increases recognition accuracy. Once Lens analyzes the image, click to select the specific area you want, a paragraph, product label, or QR code, because focus selection yields better results. Then choose an action. Copy text to clipboard, translate to another language, search for similar images, or shop for product links. Each action is designed for a different outcome. Make sure to adjust the crop or zoom if detection is off. Switching from camera mode to photo mode can also improve recognition when details are finished by saving or exporting. Copy recognized text to clipboard, send it to Google Docs, or open product links in your browser for more info. If results are poor, retry with a higher resolution image, improve lighting, or crop manually. These quick fixes resolve most errors. If Lens still misbehaves, make sure the app or browser is updated, verify camera and file permissions in Windows settings, and clear the app cache. This often fixes lingering recognition failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.